their assignment and they're like, job done, they're relaxed now. Okay. Thank you so much, girls. Nothing else from my side. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fine. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good. One big job done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other teams, I want you all to start presenting, finish it off so that, we have how many? 48. So we have approximately 45 people. So divided by 5, we have around 9 groups, approximately 8 to 9 groups to do the presentation. Okay. So when will you do? Next week? You would have done it today. Yes. Okay, now it's 3 o'clock. I will, any other teams who will be doing? Just let me know quickly. Yes, Anvitarya. Just like that, he's raising the hand. Okay. So what I'll be doing is, you are 47 of you. I'll be putting you into Microsoft Teams classroom. So you will be getting an invitation to join a classroom. It will be numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 15, something like that. So I'll try to put 4 of you. Is it fine? 3 to 4 of you in a 3 to 4 bada. 5 of you in uh, a classroom. Okay. And then what you are supposed to do is, once you enter the room, how many ever are there? Yeah, 4 or 5 or whatever. So you people discuss and plan an activity that you can conduct to the other teams over here. For example, Abhishek, Adisha, Sarthak, Agarwal, Akshat. So these 4 people are in one room. Okay. And as a group, you all discuss and decide upon an activity that you can make the other teams over here do it online now, right now. Are you able to understand? Just a small, simple activity that you can make them do. So quickly discuss that, and then I'll close the rooms and all of you come back to the main meeting and you conduct the activity. If you want to announce winners, you can announce even that. It will be like a learning experience. You have to give proper instructions. You have to organize yourself in a proper way so that people don't get confused. You have to do a lot of teamwork, and you have to be think of a creative coming Jashwant. You have to think of a creative activity that will interest people. So all these things are the challenges for you. Yes, Jaswant, you want to ask something, Jaswant?
No, ma'am.
So any doubts? Yes, Jaswant.
Ma'am, could you just repeat the what we're supposed to do again?
I will put 4 or 5 of you in the Microsoft Teams rooms. I can I can break out the participants and put them into rooms. Okay, I'll do that. I don't know whom you will be getting in your room. So whoever is in your room, 3 or 4 people, all of you as a group have to discuss and decide upon one activity that you can make the other people in this classroom play or do activity. Okay. So it's an online activity. Of course, you have to plan and execute an online activity with the other members of your class. You will be conducting it for them. Okay. You will have to give proper instructions. If you want, you can declare winners as well. You have to put on your creative seat belts. Okay. And then you have to execute it properly. You have to organize it properly. So you don't take much time. I will give you 15 minutes to discuss, and then you all come back to the main meeting. Okay. So you will learn how to give instructions properly. You will learn how to be organized. You will learn teamwork. You will learn how to be I mean, you cannot learn being creative, but you can, try your creative side as well. So put on your creative seatbelts. You can unleash your creative side when you do this. Okay, good to go. You can make them do anything. You can ask them to pick pen and paper and do something. It's up to you what you want them to do. Or quickly you can ask them to come on their video and do this, demonstrate something and go. You plan what can be done, and each activity should be for 5 minutes only. So the whole class should be able to execute that or do that or complete that within 5 minutes. Okay, go to the rooms and you will get ideas. Discuss with your friends, you will definitely get ideas. Okay, any other doubts? You can still chat with me from the room itself. I'll get the chats. I'll reply to the chats. Anvitarya, you're just raising your hand and saying nothing. Yes. I don't know. What is the problem with the hand? It is always raising up. Yes. Any doubts, people? You're all thinking what can be done. So I'll break out into the rooms, go to the rooms, discuss, and then you will understand. After I'll close the room after 15 minutes, you all will come back to the main meeting. Okay. So 42 of you, I will divide it by. I'll put you in 8 rooms. Okay. Yeah. Slowly you will start getting the information or the invitation to join room. Please join the room.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's look like I'm not in any group.
Rishabh.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Rishabh ka naam kahan pe abhi? I'll just let you know, Rishabh. I'm checking.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Anvitarya, what about you?
My network problem is happening, ma'am.
You are in room number 8, Anvitarya.
Yes, ma'am.
Ruchir,
Ma'am,
why
my
did
network issue is happening, ma'am.
Okay.
It's coming and going. It's coming and going. Sorry. 1 minute.
Ma'am, were you saying something?
Ruchir, why you came back from the room, I said. Yes, Ruchir, your message.
Ma'am, actually, I don't know. Actually,
Okay,
my
Ruchir.
network is lagging a lot. So
No, you
yeah.
go to your room, Ruchir. Your other friends have heard
My
me.
network
They
is
will
also
explain.
a lot.
Ruchir, you go to the room, whichever room you belong to. Your other friends are there. They will explain you. Rishabh Kumar, कौन से room में? Ruchir, you are in room 7. Rishabh, I don't think so. Any
room 7.
Room 7. Go. Ruchir. Anvita, what happened? You are in room 8. Wait, I'll send you invite.
Is happening.
क्या करे यार?
Lagging, ma'am.
Rishabh. Oh, Rishabh Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you not in any room? Can't
ma'am.
see your name anywhere. Everywhere there are five people. Wait, I'll try. I can't even select your name.
Where are you setting the invite?
Ah?
Ma'am, where are you sending the invite links?
I don't know. You should, I mean, I have never got any such invite, so I will not know. See, I'm Ruchir Gaur, no? I'll just ask to join. You'll get a call, you have to say join.
Ma'am, I also didn't get any call, ma'am.
Anvitaria. Anvitaria, you are in room 8. Wait. I'll call you. Ruchir also, but Rishabh, I can't see your name anywhere. And I can't even select your name there. Okay, you be with me, Rishabh.
Okay, ma'am.
And then tell me on what parameters we can judge these or give marks to these groups. Right, Rishabh? Are you there?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, what? Arey, why are you people coming back? G. Karali Matti, what happened? Karali Matti, what happened? Yes, Anvita, what's your problem?
I didn't get any call, ma'am. Which room I am not getting?
I'm calling. You are in room 8. I think you people have network issues or something like that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Getting a bit.
I'm calling you, but पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. Rishabh, हाँ, Anvitarya assign. Which room did I tell you, Anvitarya?
8.
8. I'm moving you to 8. Let me see. 9. No, not 1. Anvitarya. Wait, it's showing. Moving. Again, Rishabh is back here. 9. Arali Matti. I'm doing all possible things. I don't know how else I can do it. Yeah, he's gone. Arali Matti. What happened to you, Arali Matti?
Ma'am, I'm still here.
No, I can't see his name.
Ma'am, I'm Rishabh.
Anyway, only Rishabh is there. I don't know, Rishabh. I cannot assign you to any group. I don't know why.
That's fine, ma'am. I think I have a best partner ever.
Yeah. So what we can plan is, Rishabh, take out a book and a pen.
Okay, ma'am.
So we will give them some marks based on certain parameters. So we can just discuss on what parameters we can give them marks.
Sure, ma'am.
So on the left corner of your book, I'm writing on a board if possible. I mean, I will try to send it on the group. On the left column, the leftmost column will be the team.
Okay, ma'am.
Team 1, 2, 3. Like they have room number 1. No, same thing. We will call them. We'll call room 1. Okay.
Okay,
What did
ma'am.
room 1 people do? Team 1 or room 1. Anything should be fine. What did room 2 people do? So what parameters according to you should be taken for assessing?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you repeat again? What parameter?
What parameters can be considered to assess them?
Okay, I think first,
Huh?
well, it's definitely based on the activity. And if What should I say? I'm not a judge
Something
like
like-
you.
Was it engaging? है ना?
Yep,
Was
ma'am.
it
Definitely.
engaging enough or entertaining enough? I mean, it depends. If it's entertaining, it's engaging, and if it's engaging, it means that it's entertaining. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am. Both are connected, by the way.
Both are connected. So we will give them 5. Then what would be the next parameter?
The conversation between them.
The communication, the clarity in
Yes, ma'am.
communication. The clarity in giving instructions. Because they have to instruct the audience, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So the clarity in giving instruction. Done. What's the next parameter?
And then the time, how fast they can do, which is important, I guess.
Can I put it as planning? Because again, if there is lack of planning, then the execution may not happen properly. If I say
Yeah, ma'am.
plan, both execution, if their planning is proper, then execution will be good. So both will be, and also they can finish it on time. So all these things. Planning ke liye 5 marks, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then
Then
teamwork.
ma'am, that's
Again in planning you mean.
it's in planning, ma'am.
रुचिर तू क्यों बार बार वापस आ रहा है? What's happening, रुचिर? रुचिर?
Actually, I don't know. Network काफी low है मैम मेरा.
Pardon?
Ma'am, he has some network issues.
Actually, ma'am, my network is quite low.
Oh, okay. But how is that related to anything? But it is showing in meeting over there. Ruchir Gaur in meeting. I can't even ask you to join because it is showing there. Try to go enter room 7, Ruchir. Okay. What else? Creativity.
Yeah,
If they
ma'am.
have copied from somewhere, if they have taken it directly from somewhere, then creativity, no creativity, it is like copied. So can we give marks for creativity?
Sure, ma'am.
Yes. 5 marks for creativity.
5 marks for
Okay.
creativity. Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So we are giving them marks on 20.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. So I'll make an Excel sheet and I'll share it.
Cool.
Room 1. Have you done? Have you written down?
Me, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. I written all the points. And how many teams are there, ma'am, by the way?
How many?
How many rooms are there? 8, I guess.
8. 8.
8. Okay, ma'am.
You tell me, what would you plan? You also sit and plan what
Okay,
you
ma'am.
would. You can make others do any activity even as an individual. There is no need of team, right? So you can sit and think and then tell it to us, okay? Yeah. What happens?
Sorry, ma'am, there's a network issue. Now I'm back. So I just make them to draw a geometrical sketch, simply a geometrical sketch.
Okay. Simply a geometrical sketch. Okay.
Yeah. For beginning, I think that's enough.
You are. I made you do this in the beginning. You remember?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
So
and I
it-
got 10 marks, full marks. That's
okay.
why.
So that one. ठीक है. Assignment score. Is it, when did we start this? Is it 15 minutes up? No, I think. How many
2 minutes
minutes?
left. 2 minutes left, ma'am.
Okay. I'll give them some more time. Like by the time people come, get into a room, get used to it, that will.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, our group just decided of an activity.
Okay.
So, ma'am, our group decided that we can play a kind of a pictography.
Hello, listen. You're
Yes,
not
ma'am.
supposed to tell. You're supposed to execute that. You should make others do it.
Ma'am, when do we do that? How do we do that?
Now.
Okay.
So
Now,
are you
ma'am,
ready?
ma'am, our group is ready.
That's what. Your group is
Yes,
ready,
ma'am.
right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ठीक है. I'll close all the rooms. रुको. I'll close all the rooms. Everyone will come back to the main meeting. You can just start.
Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am, I'm from his group only. Ma'am, could you give us like 5 more minutes? Like we need to do some more changes. That's why.
I closed the rooms.
Acha, okay, ma'am. Then okay, no problem, ma'am.
If I put you back into, I mean, if I do the same process again, I don't know which rooms you'll be going to.
Shit, man.
Okay, ma'am. No problem, ma'am. No problem.
No problem.
What
It's okay,
happened,
ma'am.
man?
It's okay, ma'am. We'll do it. We'll execute it.
What's happening, huh? So all of you are back in the main meeting. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now you can just start.
Aryan, are you there?
Ah,
You
hello.
might want to be more specific which one.
It's me only. It's me only. Aryan, the other Aryan.
Oh, and Janani.
Yeah, Andy.
So we all decided to divide the participants, the classmates, into two groups so that we can play a kind of a game.
So, do you want me to divide them? You will also get divided. The problem is that.
No problem, ma'am.
Okay, should I divide the class into
Yes,
two?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But, okay, let's see what happens.
Ma'am, let them tell what it is. Then if you
Yes,
divide
ma'am.
them,
Like,
no one will know what it
like we
is.
should tell about like what's the thing is all about.
Okay.
So the first of all, we decided a game which we can play. Its name is Pictography, which the two groups will be divided, and from every one group they'll decide and they'll keep a picture in front of the other group, and the other group has to decide, means have to think of that picture and reveal the actual name, the movie name or a web series name behind it.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's yeah. So this is all the game is all about.
Okay. Should I divide now?
Yeah, ma'am.
But I'm not sure if the other group will be able to see what the group A or group B is showing.
So
We'll just do it manually. For example, the people of room, you are from room 1, right?
Us?
Room 7, ma'am. Room
Yeah.
7.
Room 7.
Room 7. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can just say all odd room numbers in one group, all even room numbers in another group. Let them be here itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So you can just say all odd room numbers in one group, all even room numbers in the other group. And then you can ask them to, I don't know, how will they discuss?
So ma'am, can we go as a room wise only? So that room 1 comes in first, show their pictures. Okay, then they'll come in and they'll show their picture, and the other rest of the groups has to decide. If they decided, they lose a point. If the other groups doesn't decide it, means that the gets to know what the picture is, they get 1 point. But the other like that.
Acha, I don't know if it is. I don't know. I don't know. You people, you don't have so many options. What's that sound? You people don't have so many options to do. Okay. Okay, I'll just call out the names probably. Aryan, Nutan, Kiran, King, Uzair, and one guest. I don't know what the name is. So Aryan, Nutan, Kiran King, guest, and Uzair Majid. Can you all discuss and decide and show a picture which room two people will be guessing? Am I correct?
No, ma'am. It's basically I don't know if they got the idea, but it's actually called as Pictionary. So, for example,
Hello,
if there
Aryan.
is,
Aryan, are you in room 1 or 7?
I think I'm in one. I was not in their group.
Then?
I was in Uzair's group.
So how do you know what their idea is?
Ma'am, because I don't know
Ma'am,
if
there are
they got
two
this
Aryans,
idea. It's from
ma'am.
a series. It's actually a game that they played in some series, and I saw, and that's how I know.
Chup rahe, they'll do. Yes,
Okay.
Abhishek and Kittu.
Yes,
Be
ma'am.
cool. What's
There are
your
two
name?
Aryans actually. My name is also Aryan, and he's also Aryan. That's the point, ma'am.
Acha. Abhishek, your name is Aryan, is it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Acha, okay. I'll call you Abhishek only then.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. So now this room 1 participants.
Yeah, ma'am. This if the rooms are still there, because I can see on my screen that we can still join the room, so they can go to the rooms and they decide and they come back.
Okay, no, this will eat up the entire this one year. Okay, fine. We will take your idea. We will try. So I'm going to put room 1 and room. We will take only 2 rooms as of now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So this room 1 people will be going into the room now. So both of them decide and come back. Okay, and then we will see. Room 1 people will ask room 2 people to do, and room 2 people will ask room 1 people to do. We will see what
Okay, ma'am.
happens. Okay, any other team? Meanwhile, any other team is ready with their activity? If somebody raised the hand. कौन है? Anvit Arya. Again, some problem. Anvit Arya. What's your name? Anvita Arya. Okay.
We are trying. We are doing it now.
Will you be explaining it to us now?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I'm still doing it.
What are still doing?
Yes, ma'am.
How? You're discussing offline, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
On WhatsApp?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Eat karte raho. How much time do you need?
Ma'am, when everyone will finish, I'll say.
Everyone will say the same thing. Let everyone finish, we will do. Everyone finish, we will do. Huh? We have to go backwards. Okay, any other team that's ready? Why room 2 failed to open? Yo.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Sarthak?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, our room number 4. Our idea is like a open discussion one.
Okay.
Ma'am, Shiva Said will tell you the idea. Hello, Shiva.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me? Hello?
yes.
Ma'am, it's like we have discussed and our activity is like everyone will have a role model or favorite movie character, no, ma'am?
I
So-
have a suggestion, Sarthak and Shiva Sahit.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Instead of explaining it to me, you tell
No, ma'am.
that.
It's for. Excuse me. I'm sorry, ma'am. Sorry for interrupting you. It's for all, ma'am. It's even
That's
for you.
what I'm saying.
You
That's
can
what
also
I'm
think.
Yes, you tell everyone that this is the activity that we are going to execute and how they are going to do. That's how it has to be. Okay? Please explain it to everyone. Tell them what they are supposed to do and ask them to do. You do it. I want you people to do it. Execute it.
Okay, Shiva, start.
Yes, ma'am. So our activity is like this, ma'am. Just a discussion about something. So everyone will have a role model or some favorite movie character, no, ma'am. So if given a chance, which would they like to play, like the same character or some role model, and why? That is our thing.
Okay. executed.
So anyone in the meeting have any role model or favorite movie character? If you get a chance, you would like to play anyone? Ma'am, even you can tell. Yes, Anvit, you raised your hand. What's your favorite movie character?
Bro, I like Berlin. Did you watch Money Heist? No.
Money Heist. So
Yeah,
I
I
have
like the
watched
character of
one
Berlin.
episode only, one episode only. So not know
I
about
like the
Baron.
character of Berlin in that
So why you like this character?
because
That
he
is.
has the mastermind of the heist in that whole thing.
Oh,
So I like that character.
oh,
And he
okay.
died because of his friends saving from the enemies.
So you like his traits of saving his friends or teamwork and all.
Yeah, teamwork
So anyone else in the room?
in that.
So Money
Thank you.
Heist, not in. I've not seen in Money Heist, so I
Yeah,
can tell. But my
oh,
favorite character is everyone have seen Marvel movies or
yeah,
Avengers.
yeah.
Like my favorite character is Iron Man. I like his personality and the
Mm,
genius ability he have.
yes.
Okay. Ma'am, you have any favorite character of yourself or role model? You wanna do it when you were young or now you wanna do it if you get a chance to play.
I would, I don't have any, it's not a great character or something. I would like to be the uh, Jinn of the Chirag, and then probably I
Make
would
wish, ma'am. You
love
want to
to
complete,
satisfy everyone's need.
but ma'am, just Jane has got only 3 wishes, so how you can satisfy everyone's need?
Three wishes nahi, the one I have seen, Aladdin ka jinn,
Yes,
he
ma'am.
would.
I also see. I also
So
see.
three also should be fine. I'll satisfy three people and one more Janam and three more people.
Nice. That makes a nice role
Something
model.
like
That's our group discussion activity.
okay, fine. Only one person, only two of us discussed. You have to involve everyone, right? So put an effort. Let me see. I want at least two, three more people to speak.
Okay, if anyone else wanna speak about their role model or any movie character, Harry Potter has many fans. So if Harry Potter character, Ron, Harry Potter itself, or anyone else. Hello, anyone?
People speak. I'll
Ananya,
tell you what. I'll tell you what.
Badri. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Janu, some Janani is speaking, I think.
Yeah,
Janani,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm Janani.
Do you have any character or role model to play?
I
If you
have
get a
one. Yeah. My
yes.
role model is like I have inspired from one woman. She is famous like uh, Muniba Masari. I think she is a Pakistanist. Everyone will know that. I like her way of talk, and she will be so like she will inspire others like in a positive way because she fighted in her life a lot. Other than that, she struggled a lot in her life, and yeah, still I like her a lot. She
Oh,
inspired
so
me.
okay.
If we take, if we see her history, we will think that life is so precious, and we have to live our life with fullest. So this is why, this is who I'm so inspired.
That's so good. That's so inspiring for you.
Yeah.
Nice. Anyone else? Anyone like movie characters or any thriller, sci-fi? Rishabh, Pranta, Nandan, or anyone? Kittu, Kipul, Karan. That's all, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Great effort. Okay, so where is my partner? कौन था? ऋषभ कहाँ पे हो तू?
Here I am.
Marks. How much marks will you give them? Which team you are? 7, right?
Room 7.
Room 4. We are
Four.
room
4,
4.
ma'am. 4.
Okay, the first one were room 7. Okay. Room 4. So give the marks. Tell me the marks.
Wait,
Rishabh.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Tell. Seventeen out of 20, ma'am.
17 out of 20. I have given them 11. I have given them 11.
Huge difference.
So we will take average. We will take average. Yes. Next team, please. I'll call these people out of the room or they'll be sleeping there the whole day. Yes, this team 7 people, please make them execute your activity. You have to make room 1 and room 2 execute your activity. Is that clear? I'm not going to come and then I'm not going to steer your vehicle. You have to steer it yourself. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
All are there. Is room 1 people, ma'am? Is room 1 people and 2 are there?
I'm from
Yeah.
room 1. Yeah.
Okay. So let's go with room 2 first. Let them show their picture, and room 1 needs to decide.
Okay, we can do that, but who are there all in room 2?
Yeah, room 2 people.
Hello?
Hello, yeah.
Yeah, you are from room 2.
Yeah, we are from room 2.
So who all are there in your room? So please tell them to everyone, please show present their picture.
Like, see, like you guys decide among yourselves, like
To
which
decide.
picture or which movie, like you guys are going to depict or relate a picture about that movie,
Okay.
and you can represent us in teams only, and team 1 will guess that movie. If they get it right, they will get a point, and if they don't, you guys get a point.
Okay, fine. Just give me 5 minutes. I'll get back to you.
Okay. So your name, by the way?
Please do it fast.
Rowan.
Okay, so
Hey, how
it
many
would be
minutes you want? Yeah, what were you doing in the room then? Huh? It's hardly, I mean, only these 2-3 teams are taking so much time.
Only
Any
one picture or more than one?
like, see, there are total 10 like 10 points. For if you give the correct answer in the first go, you get 10 points. If you take like the other hand, there would be like 5 points deducted, and then you will get only 5 points. That's the thing. There will be
Okay.
two like you'll get 2 chances and 2 hints.
Okay.
So room 2 is going first, so you guys have to guess. Your team won, right, Aryan?
Yes.
Okay.
So room 2 guys, please share your screen or the picture, please.
Try to draw on the blackboard if possible.
Ma'am, they can also show a picture from Google also, like relatable to that movie or that web series.
But they have to do it on their phone itself, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How will they share?
Yes, ma'am. They don't have the they don't have the thing that they don't have the power to share.
They don't have the accessibility. So I'm telling you, okay, try to draw it on the whiteboard, or if it's too complicated, then it's a problem.
Can we draw it in a book and show using a camera?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Can
that's
do
Yes,
that.
ma'am. They can show from the phone also. If they want to show a picture, they can switch on the from camera from the laptop, and they can show from the phone also, ma'am.
Jaldi karo yaar.
Yeah, room 2 guys, please make it fast.
Did they go back to the room?
I don't know, they are not responding.
Message.
Room 2 guys, if you are there, please make it fast. I think they are not here.
Yeah, they are in discussion, I think, in room.
What did they do till now? I put them in that group, no? What were they doing instead of discussing? They were watching movie together or what?
Ma'am, room 1 is here, ma'am, and I guess room 4 is also here. They did the last activity.
Okay.
So can we do with them?
Please do, yeah.
So room
Let
4 guys,
them be there in the room.
Yeah, bro.
so sorry we can't allow you to go into the room and discuss it. So it will be
No
better if you
problem.
so you guys
Yeah,
do
so
do it on the
I'll
WhatsApp.
room 1 conduct
Let
the
room 1
thing.
show their picture and you guys guess it. Okay.
Acha, we have to guess it or we have to show the picture?
So first let them show. For in that meanwhile, someone in your group just go and think of the movie or something which you want to show. Do it and come back. Okay. Do it offline on WhatsApp or somewhere. And in the meanwhile, you guess the picture. Okay.
Okay.
So room 1 guys, please start the or show the picture, please.
I can't see any picture.
You have to click on Aryan Bharadwaj video. Click on Aryan Bharadwaj. You can see.
This is the picture.
Yeah.
So you, yeah.
Oh, it's gone again.
Aryan, let it be like that only.
Okay.
And room
Like
4
you have to
guys, you
just
have
guess the
Ninja
movie.
Turtles. I guess it. Is it right?
Sorry.
Sorry.
Ninja Turtles.
Ninja Turtle. That's wrong.
Okay. Ouch.
So like you guys have only one more chance for 5 points. That's the thing.
You can answer, please. Yeah.
Aryan, have you given
Yes,
a not you, Abhishek Aryan. Abhishek, have
Yes,
you
ma'am.
given a time restriction?
No, ma'am. No time restrictions. But
No, that has to be there. That has to be
Can
there.
we have a hint of anything?
I allotted the time, ma'am. I allotted the time when they started.
Okay.
Bro,
Okay,
any hint?
hint. This is more like before the 2000s. It's a web series which was before the 2000s.
Before the 2000s.
Mm,
How much time did we get? Karan?
4 minutes, guys. 4 minutes. You are up
Oh.
with 1 minute.
Okay.
which is
Hello, Shiva Sahit, you can guess it. Shiva?
No.
Before 2000, a web series.
Yeah.
Guys, you have left with 2 minutes.
We have how many hints? Only one hint or one another hint?
like all your hints are gone. There is only one hint and like one chance. So you gave up one chance. You gave one hint. So like you have only one way to go. Like one go to.
Yeah, you have to just answer the thing.
Or like you can skip it. Like for
You get no,
no
points.
idea, bro.
No idea.
Totally no
0
idea.
points to room 4. Aryan, you can say the name.
Okay, the name is Friends.
Okay.
How is that picture
How is
related?
that friend?
Yeah, how
So
is that?
Are you
basically,
kidding me,
there is
Aaron?
okay. Let me
This is
just tell
not
you.
nearly
There
related
is
to
a
the Friends.
scene where I don't know if you know the characters. There is a girl called as Monica. She wears a chicken on her head and specs
That
and a
was a
hat.
Dude,
Yeah,
That
that's
was
not
not a
chicken.
chicken.
Please.
dude, you have the
That's
hands
not
and
a
the
chicken.
legs.
That seems like an octopus
Just
with two
bad.
legs.
Dude,
Spread like someone turtle is
like
very
on the
famous.
first go, I thought it was
There
Ninja
was a
Turtle.
specs and a hat.
Oh, you also got a Ninja Turtle.
Okay. You are. So now the organizer of the activity, that is room 4, right?
no 7.
This
Seven.
Aryan. Oh,
Room
okay,
7.
7.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
they are
Seven.
going to, okay, they are going to decide the authenticity of the picture or whatever. Okay, they are going to decide how appropriate it was and all. Okay, it is left to them. Now it is the other.
Like, wait about if they say it's wrong.
Let them decide. It is up to them. That is not the important thing here for me.
Yeah, by the time
Aryan, Abhishek, Aryan. Abhishek, now ask the other team to show the picture.
yeah, room
Yes,
4
ma'am.
guys.
Karan and Janani are hosting, ma'am.
Okay, whoever. It's your team, no? Please
Yes,
tell
ma'am. It's
them.
my team only.
Bro, shall I show the picture? It
Yeah,
is in my
yeah.
phone.
Go carry on.
I'm opening my camera.
Yeah.
It might take
Okay,
a
okay,
while.
okay.
Wait.
So 4 minutes are allotted to group room 1 as well.
You can see this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the photo.
Can we get a hint?
Like 5 points would be deducted from you. Like if you like guess,
For
take
hint.
a hit.
The character in this web series is also in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. You got it? You got my hint?
The character as the actor or the character?
Actor.
Okay.
The actor who plays this character is also in the Marvel Cinematic Universe.
Okay.
going to pull those. Okay, that room 2 guys, are they back? Jaswant, Satya, Sai, Kumar.
By
Rohan,
any chance, is it Iron Fist?
No, bro.
Okay.
Only one,
Rohan,
like
one
you got
chance.
only one chance, Aryan. You and your group.
Okay.
Like you guys can decide. There's a time limit. You guys can decide among yourselves.
Yeah, you have only 2 minutes left.
Is it a Marvel-based series or a different series?
Bro, I have given you one hint.
Okay.
I'm getting call.
I think they have seen enough. You can just take it out.
Okay. We are gonna go with Luke Cage. We don't know if it's right.
No, bro.
Okay.
It's from Sherlock. Benedict Cumberbatch.
Okay.
Okay, my.
Okay. So, where is my partner Rishabh?
Here I am, ma'am.
Score
Ma'am, 10 out of 20.
already.
Yeah, ma'am, they're planning it so bad.
सर नहीं
They give 4 minutes.
अच्छा तो 1 minute. This was from team 7, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It was engaging the instructions.
Ma'am, it's actually we can't play it online. Like we have to be in person to like play it. That's the thing.
Not necessarily.
And there are many problems like someone's connection problem, someone is not responding. Like there's the energy level is matters. That's the thing, ma'am.
I give them 14 on 20. Okay. I give them 14 on 20.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, people.
Thank you, ma'am.
So who's next? Are the next team, room number 3. Room number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Please start.
Ma'am, are Ananya and Dharun here?
Ananya, Sarika Bharadwaj, Lakshmi Narayan.
Yes, ma'am.
R.M. Budadani, Kannan Dharun. Yes, it's your turn now. Room 3.
Yes, so, ma'am, we've decided to play this game called 5-second rule. It goes like one of us from the group, like Ananya, me, Dharun, or the other 2 people, we tell a word, and then the other people have to give like 3 words related to the word we tell within 5 seconds.
Is it open to all or is it group wise or explain that?
Maybe group wise because anyone can volunteer to like play the game, not group wise.
Okay. So any volunteers, please raise your hand. Who is going to maintain the volunteers list? You had to decide all this in advance. If volunteers raise hand, who will note down the list, who will call out the names, who will keep the time? Have you decided all that?
Yes, ma'am. We've decided about the time.
Then
Then we
please
thought that
execute that.
people will volunteer themselves for the.
Okay, then start execute it.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, can I call Shraddha first?
ठीक है. You have 10 minutes. Our session ends in 10 minutes. So can we have rest of the teams do it in the next class? And also you people have to do the presentation. We will finish the presentation first. Okay. So Aryan, I want you to list down the names of the teams that are going to do the assignment presentation next week, turn wise. Okay. And I don't want to come to the session and keep calling you people for the presentation. Aryan, I want you to make a list of teams turn-wise, who's going to start the session and then who's next and then so on and so forth. Okay? Please ensure that we waste less time, or rather no time is wasted. Okay? So presentation and then if possible this activity, or this activity will get postponed to whenever in the future. Okay? Yes. First priority is for presentation.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was just removed. Could you repeat again?
Next class, next week, we will do presentation of the assignment of the report. Okay. So you should tell me which team is going to do the presentation. Which team is going to start the presentation, and then which team. You're going to discuss this with your class and then give me a list. This team will do first, next this team, next this team. Okay?
Ma'am.
So let us not waste our time in asking people to come and then telling they are not here, she is not here. I don't want all that story. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So we'll begin with Shraddha.
Shraddha.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Yes, so, Dharun, can you set the timer, please?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So Shraddha, your word is quarantine, and the timer starts now.
COVID, Wi-Fi, boring.
Okay, was that within 5 seconds?
Yes, it was.
Okay.
Next, Dhruti K. Dhruti, are you there? Hello?
Go to next person.
Rishabh Kumar.
Yes.
Friendship. Your time starts now. Friendship.
Care, sharing, fight.
Hi, stop. Was there? Hi, you have done the good. Next.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am.
So can we call Tanvi now?
Ma'am, this is Dhruti. My earphone was not working.
Okay, Dhruti is back. Ananya.
Okay. You can say on college. 5 seconds you have given.
Friends, teachers,
The
books.
Time up.
Your time.
Time up, Dhruti. Try next time.
Okay. Then, are you done? Any other participants there?
Ma'am, can we call Tanvi?
Yeah, anyone.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Tanvi, are you
Pooja.
there?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, yeah. So your word is family.
Sorry, my word is what?
Family.
Love, care, and good food.
Are you done?
Can I participate?
Anyone?
Yes, ma'am. You can.
Give me word, please.
World.
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 LD. Yes, ma'am.
World.
5.
Life, struggle, and justice.
It's for there in 5 seconds.
Ma'am, it was 8 seconds, ma'am.
Yeah, 8 seconds.
So, ma'am, 5-second limit was there.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks,
Next. Thank you. Are you done? Is there anyone else?
We are done. If anyone else wants to participate, they can.
Ma'am, me, Janani.
Janani.
Yeah. You can give me a word.
Word boys. Janani.
Ma'am?
Okay.
Boys.
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 Yes.
Care. Friendship. Fight.
Okay. Was she done in 5 seconds?
No, it was 7 seconds.
Okay.
Thank you.
ठीक. Okay, guys. Are you done? So anyone else? Okay, that's nice. Good. Quite interesting. But one thing is, you people should show more energy, and probably if you can switch on your video and do it, it will be more, like with those expressions and other things, it will be more effective. Okay.
Okay.
So yes,
Thank you.
you're from which room, girls? No, not only girls, even a boy is there.
One boy. 3.
Room 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Engaging, entertaining, yes. Clarity of instructions. I couldn't hear it properly. Maybe network issues. I don't know. Planning, I'll not give you more because I think you planned after I asked you who's going to keep the timing and who's going to do this. Creativity, yeah, in a way, yes. So how many marks are you giving them, Rishabh?
14, ma'am. 14 out of 20.
Same pinch. I also gave them 14. Okay. Thank you so much. So we will wind up. Thank you. And also please ensure that more and more teams finish the presentation next week. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, people. Once
Jai Shri
again, Jai Shri Ram. I don't think so. I've taken your attendance. Ruko. If anyone has left, I don't know. Thank you.
Many of them left.
Ashte.